What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, what I have right now is a saga with Akeem. So I say maybe add more things as I go on, but for now Skydiamond and Akeem are the topic. So I say because Akeem buy a bike, right? Allegedly crash off of the bike. Him same crash off it. His mother come on the internet, you know what I mean? I praise the Almighty and I say yo the enemy feel and Skydiamond bust it out say I lie Akeem I tell him and his mother plan to scam the people and a bunch of things. But in my opinion my people, I don't feel like say him plan to scam nobody for no bike money back. Like Skydiamond I say I want him back the bike money. You see me I say tell Onel and a whole heap of other people, them have a discussion about it. So we are going to share everything with Uno. I want to tell me one thing. Because I don't feel say I really scam him a try. You know what I mean? I feel like say him just want to bust it same buy a bike in a hype way. You know what I mean? In a local way where everybody knows say buy a bike certain way and get a reaction out of the media and get to trending and them something. You see it, him just bust a style. I don't feel like I just scam nothing. So we're gonna just jump in at the people and share it with you now.
Sometimes we have to let go and let God. Because sometimes we can't do it by our own. We cannot do this by our own. I'm telling us I can't do this by my own. But I have to make God intervene in this.
Bike, what time he left? Because me here say meeting an accident, so me I try to do the time frame. So you can tell me what time he leave? Alright, text me. Alright guys, we're gonna do the mathematics and see which part this one. A Portland guys, whenever you're Portland, yeah, me have Portland on my ends and my grounds. So me I gotta do the maths now and see what time you leave Portland, but oh my god, this is so sad. I'm sure I'm meeting an accident. Send me the video, make me see, cause I don't like spread false news. I don't have me here. I do mathematics and I investigate what time something happen and me not have no evidence of it. But if I'm meeting an accident, that's real sad. Me not tell no lie. Bad to bad. It just make the mix up no nice anymore if you really meeting an accident. For sure. Cause somebody pick me, you know. I'm not get no video with the accident all now. So me I tell about them people, yeah. Where video there? When they can't grow and spread them false bumble clot rumors they pan people pitney, you know. I don't know if I wish them something they pan people pitney, you know. No, fun and joke aside guys, me not get no video. Why only that one grow and spread something like that?
Good morning, my baby. Sky, you're wicked, you know? What are we about the people of mission? What are we about the people of mission? Mission about immediately.
I say, I can't believe it.
You know, girl? Don't make you call them out so quick.
Jesus.
What are we the people of going up on TikTok and go dash out their millions again, you know, darling?
Jesus Christ, sister, me have to save the people. Me couldn't allow what happened to me if it happened to them.
You know, say quick about mission you go on with, girl?
Sister, me bad. Talk it true, sister. Me not even get
you go on with yourself
about
this
mission.
morning.
I prove me ready. I receipt me ready for job right now, you know, sister.
A serious kinds of got clock down today, you know, girl. And you mash up the people and plans, you know?
Jesus Christ. The woman said nothing will do our son. And nothing will never do our son. You know, the woman
see wicked people this on TikTok. You know, see wicked. You know, see why God upset with we. A demon them up on TikTok, you know.
My gosh.
No, me prove it, you know, the woman literally walk with on the phone and go about the mission.
Duh. Sister, you feel like she could have known, you feel like she knows with that ear when she talk to the person?
Sky. Yes, she know. Them know everything. Them know everything. Them know what them a do. Them know all of this, girl.
She said
a modern time. We need to wise up.
She maybe know that we are here. Sister, look at her. She maybe know we are here, but she may not think she know we are here the person on the phone because she say, let me go talk to me. Let me go say something to the live. You know that you talk to her on the phone. She said, she even said to the woman, say, me not say nothing. The woman I said to her, say, where you do? She fuck up the mission.
Yeah. Girl, let me tell you something. I gotta work, you know, because you see long run short catch, but we want the people them to wise up. But they not wise up, then go level bad, then living at the gutter, girl. They live in the gutter. But guess what? I'm gonna rank people, let me know. Dash out in the kinds and give them. Make them richer and richer and richer. Make you can laugh off of
sister,
uno.
me tell
That's
you
somehow
when
not live like dog shit.
sister, me tell you when say up a bike shop, he say my smartest man pan TikTok, he never tell a lie, no? But when
Say one
he
thing,
come
you're
with
smart,
this
you know,
man,
girl?
this not eh?
You're smart, me I forget your flowers, cause you know where I go on.
Sister, me know the things them. Sister, Lord Jesus Christ, last time, you know, so what
About the
I'm...
mission, you know, girl. Like it.
Yeah,
You
mother say
about
no,
it.
you know,
Me
me
like
no
it.
dream. Didn't have to correct that because me ready for show the same buy a bike. And you see, if you need tell me same I go, but too bad me that make him get it on a discount, I even 50% off. But me never me can make him get a discount.
What a wicked people, them girl, me in the comments here, them too wicked.
Big up yourself, my sister girl. Good morning, darling. My phone, it come like somebody I call my phone and me the live pan. Jesus. I call my phone and me the live pan and stop do that. I mix up time. When you come in at the box, come at me and chat the people and stop calling my phone. Come in at the box and mix up me I do. Mix up me I do right now. You know, sister, me I save you know. You know much I only that get scam. Even my people them over here only that get scam because we hear about accident and we have art. We are gonna go over there, go send, we look wheel, we look this, we look Zella, we look PayPal, cause serious time. You understand where I come from? Serious time. Ain't supposed Indigo somewhere else go buy the bike and we never know what going. The mother stop ball, Sky Diamond make the mother cancel all mission, everything per live. The mother said nothing no do her son, nothing will never do her son. She get the phone call. Me couldn't allow them to do no what Peter, no so what Peter. Listen, I want a chat, listen to me, me no wicked. You can't scare my love cry. Peter gay cry every chance she get. Learn, use me as example. When me see the mother cry, me say bumbo class, Peter gay. Peter gay, but Peter gay deadly than she. Don't make them catch you with them tears. Then cry for coins, money, then cry. We never see the mother cry and she get the phone call and stop crying and come back say she a preach. She a worship God. We don't see what the mother come back with. They all a play with God. That's the reason why I'm telling you say pray for yourself. Not make people pray for you. Imagine somebody like handsome gunman mother pray for you. Just think about what me I say. Look how the woman a ball and I say only a mother knows to blood clot and have the people that the chat a ball with her. And then she get the phone call and figure say she a cry. Come back and say I preach. Imagine she pray for you. You know what kind of curse she put on pan blood clot you? You know what kind of destruction and crosses follow you after that the prayer there? No. Pray for yourself. Make you pick the prayer for you pick you and listen. Pray for yourself and if it's so bad, make you kids pray for you.
My people want to tell me what I think because as I say in the intro, I feel like say the G just want bust it in a style, say him buy one bike. You see me I say he can't just post it on the internet because him do that to the two last car them when him buy. So he just come so boom and bust a stunt and you know what I mean and go viral. You see, I don't feel like seeing no type of scamming nothing. And people them say no call out certain things for yourself, but some people don't believe in them what them call it, all wives fable or something like that. So them call it or what them call it no remember, but enough people don't believe in them things they like of old days where people say like don't boast or don't tell lie cause it might happen to you and rare. You see what I say? Some people just do what them feel like, how them feel like, you know what I mean, when them feel like. You see me? So, tell me what you think in the comment section, my people, and make you watch some more.
Stop make bumble clot them people want to can't see them hands and them heart pray for no. Look on the act where the woman go. That's what me I tell her saying, no, man. When you see the act where the woman put on this morning, only mother knows. Only a mother knows. No. Me need to put on my clothes and go act like the woman while ago. Only your mother knows. 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 Then all pana so no do the woman blood clot pit me. People can't wicked so. Chat no really. People can't all pana blood. Only your mother knows while I go with tears to blood clot. Then after the phone call, the woman said, nothing no do her pitney. Nothing will never do her pitney. And wicked corners the live last night. About anything yet? Any update? Oh, let's pray. You know, I play with God panny up, you know. You know, I learn. You know, I play with the man too. You know, come like the people when me hear about now the Bible, where used to mock the blood clot, man. You know, say the Bible I repeat it, say, things that the Bible are happening in real life. You know, the wicked blood clot people them in the Bible, you know, why don't they pan it up a ramping at the man's face? Eh? And about let's pray, any update? Eh? For what? Go walk. You know, full of too much style. Guys, I'm not gonna play any game. I haven't even get a money gun for myself all week. And the people them just start shoot like them and I say, pure delusional mad people they pan it up. Me blood clot. No sir. Guys. Akeem, big up yourself. Pan the big bag, my friend. Next time you go back, you get percentage off. Now study this. Next time you go, you get percentage off and them say you're nice. Them say you buy liquor and the things them you see it. So big up your badness. You say I smartest man pan up. But it's when you come on to that one way that try this morning when me get crashed, but you can't wish that over your life, bro. You see how God bless you or who I bless. I don't know what with me, don't say God bless you or who I bless you. But just the things that work for you, you scam the people and you play with the people and you do your thing and you do your thing and it work for you, bro. Why that wish accident over your life when nothing go so? You got to be smart. You can't call them things over your life. That's a low blow. My friend, where you do a work for your thief and not rob people, man, it work for you. Second with that, you wish accident over your life. You can't do them things there. Big up Sky Diamond and me crash everything this morning. Just the truth, Sky Diamond news is real.
Auntie Sky.
What?
So you never hear him did I tell him mother say him a go do something and it a make she cry. The night before. You never watch that live there? When him and her did on live and him a say, Mama, me go do something man and she a say, tell me no. I must say, yeah man, me go do a thing tomorrow and tell make you cry and the boy in the background I say, cry like. So the people them not realize what Akeem do with the this hurricane fund and everything. The amount of money we make off of it.
Yeah.
The amount of money we make off of it. Crazy money. Oh, you forgot to buy bike now, right after everything. Like you believe people now go see and people now go know. Somebody say if him really go tell lie upon himself. Him not at the hospital, Auntie Sky.
Which hospital? Yeah, the mother just say no go so. Say
somebody a comment and I said them see me in a hospital bed. Mrs. Somebody comment and then somebody else I say if
that girl
when we a big liar than them a thief.
When we see him in a hospital bed, we say, oh my God, get well soon. But for now, it's story now, Ad.
The night before, me watch you live. When him a tell her, I say, Mama, me I go do something tomorrow, you know. And it's gonna make you cry. And she said, tell me. And him a say, no, man, tomorrow me tell you. And she said, you gonna keep me in a suspense? Well, she a cry now, I saw it for go.
She said, I worship, she I worship, my dear. I said, I'm worshiping. I didn't say anything.
I forced Mrs. Smarty on the app when I don't know me eat them so. Disgusting, man.
My dear, make we see how this play out, my dear.
So which one of them same Krash?
Me don't know about, we know saying left both be a Portland after 5 when he buy the big bike. We have to talk facts so we know. We know he left both be a Portland after 5 when he buy the bike. So if he meet in an accident, it'll be after he left both be a Portland after 5. That we know. So if he do meet in an accident, it'll be after 5 when he left.
All me can say, God nah, uno a monitoring spirit. Hear there? God nah sleep because him go run and collect money and talk about him a deal with Rary and then him go and buy a bike.
Yeah, buy big bike.
In the heart of the give back, you go and buy a bike.
The live sky when she say, devil who don't lose again, who don't lose again. Parents me telling us if you pray over on the pitney them, who don't lose again. So oh no, our exam she go take a morning.
Yeah, cause Sky Diamond the panic case and a case. Sky Diamond uses real.
What
After 5 he left both be a Portland and him buy the big bike. So when he meets in an accident. Yes. Then she changed her mouth on the live. The call, you see somebody will call over here watch we. You see somebody will call her Anake, they over here watch we live. We call her on the phone.
Call her and tell her something for true.
Yeah man, I said listen. Mission, cancel the mission, he now go work.
Bunch of people me tell them to pray over on the pitney them.
But me never depend on part. The way she said about pray about pitney, but oh no, our exam. Talk to me.
Devil who don't lose again, who don't lose again.
Yeah.
I want to tell them to pray over on the pitney them. Cause whatever I want to think, whatever I want to send out in the work. I say blood clot. Me frightened when she switch.
Jesus peace. My God.
Akeem.
I thought she said I wanted nobody catch it and scream my car. I'm go panic.
Screen recording must sketchy because they watch her this pro last year.
I speak them over here, say go listen her. So me no go over there. Me never go over there. Me go over there late.
Oh no, exam.
Exam, my blood clot.
Them are wicked. Yeah, man.
Wicked.
I have a plan for
I
you.
saw them begging, you go and buy a bike and them people them blind. Oh my gosh.
They must stop it. They must stop it.
I want help, I'm gonna give who I want to give, but them can't get my money. Me not care if I'm glad to see what them
Big
do.
woman look at this in their carelessness, yeah. Eh?
Them can't get my money. Anything with them I give, I'm glad to them give, but them can't. Me not send no money go give them.
What a wicked set of people, man.
Sky mash up the people. Sky, you mash up the people in plan.
Me say as me get the news, go, if you no go up on my page, you know see, me see what time I post the video. Go up on my page and look what time I post the video. It's as me get the news, mama. Me say as me get, you me tell me cousin, you know record it, you're not home if you know if you record it.
They work with them, Sky.
Alright my people, me not talk much. Let me know what you think in the comment section and make you watch some more.
That's why she have to work with them. That's why when she not go
That's why I'm bringing her come over here.
when she not go according to script, they have to put her back in line.
Since you're 13 hours ago, me post a video. What time that yesterday to blood clot? Somebody said both be my place. Blood clots. The people, yes. Yeah, this is somebody. 60K super fans, 9.3 million JMD. So we expect. People are going bad in the comment, my dear. Yes.
Come here, when
Big up man in big bike.
Forget me, I wait for
You
she
need to
hear
go buy 2 more and support the business. Eh?
my friend here, she say Akeem is okay, not do him. Then
A Sky make them have to do that. One Sky Diamond.
I never see this yet.
Don't pan the live. She didn't know say we are watch her. Jesus Christ.
Never expect say you have to come with it so quick, Sky.
Don't.
You beat them at their own game.
My God.
Done. You know them at time when when people that have no house and them something there.
No, it be I say, everybody see them and go around and ask donation. Him could have did make it wait until things go off. Look on when you go buy bike. All if another donation money buy the bike. I saw it have a look.
Yeah. I remember people them been attacked a little friend.
Adjust the truth. Adjust the truth. I don't hate them, I'm gonna visit them, I'm gonna envy them. But look on the time when you decide to go buy bike. You know the time when you collect funds.
The people them a expect car man, so you switch here and go buy a bike.
Yeah. Me now say
all of them. Yes, in bike, guys.
All of them something.
Guys.
But this is not the time to go here buy no damn bike. And then the real people, them we want the real.
Hey, let's talk about Akeem mother for a minute. Who was here and watching the live? What took place with Akeem mother? Come in the box. Let's talk about it a little bit. Who was on the live and see what took place with Akeem mother? I'm so
expose him. He need to stop.
Akeem need to stop and the gifters need to stop. Akeem now will never win a gun. He doesn't come to the light and people
why you doing those things, miss? You know that nothing happened to you. Why you doing this?
Oh, okay.
But gifters should open their eyes and see that these things are all fake.
It look like they're not open their eye. It look like them fog over their eye.
All 2 April pages.
I'm afraid of this. This terrible. This is bad. And a storm.
The man spent all the donation money, so you need it back.
When go buy this big old bike, Rose can't hold on the bike unless you go use hard and tired down that she not drop her. We not have a good morning. Bye.
Good morning, miss.
Guys,
when you go up on my page, go look me make a video about the bike 16 hours ago. Go left a comment chat. Go up on my page chat, leave a comment on the video when I make about the big bike 15 hours ago. Yes, chat, I don't have to see it and listen 15 hours ago. My first break the news. Yes.
remember,
go comment Sky Diamond News is real under my video. Sky Diamond News is real. Sky Diamond News is real. Come on, chat. Go and comment under the video when me talk about Akeem big bike 15 hours ago. Sky Diamond News is real. Everybody on the live, go on my page. The last video I post telling you guys about Akeem big bike and say Sky Diamond News is real. Yes, them news no blood clot real. No me first telling around to see the big bike. That's just the truth. Go on my page. 15 hours ago me make the video I telling about the big bike and the big bike come. Go and comment Sky Diamond News is real. That's just the truth. Delusional corner. My news real no blood clot. Go over there, Sky Diamond News is real. Go over there, go over the last video I post 15 hours ago. Sky Diamond News is real. Go over there, chat on my page. Yes, care. This serious care. Later. My opinion, come here reason. Yeah, I go talk, yeah.
yeah, you remember when me did I say to you, say, when the storm just hit and everything, I say, Sky, be careful of the people them who are come up. I say, them get injured because them get washed out or whatever. Some of them are scam, them just want something for happen, for just start scam. They're not sure about the one who really need it. Them just want to know, say, wow, it's a quick money, me can make us quick money. You think Akeem don't know, say, quick money? You don't realize, say, I buy things, you make sure he buy stuff. I know, say, after that money, he not gonna stay with him. Say, oh my God, these people crazy. I'm not open up their eyes, but I feel them money. I ask how much of them help them family.
Guys, wanna go buy video already? Comment yes if you wanna go buy video already. And if you go check if you wanna go over the video. It's just the truth. Go over the video, guys. Leave a comment. Go over the video chat, leave a comment. I think the video at the last video when I post. You have 11.9k views. Go over there, go comment. Sky Diamond uses blood clot real. Go comment that. Akeem block me blood clots. I miss put it up as my green screen. You lordy. So you gonna own it. You know, go like I want thing but me, you know. My news real now blood clots. I put it up boy yeah black.
My people, tell me what you think in the comment section. I'll make you watch some more. But what more I ask you, seeing who don't agree with enough of them people, who they say more I find the right word, but me I go say agree. Seeing with these people enough of the time, one people forget like stop get them support where them are get because them don't like some of the things them where that person I do. You see me? Because that bad mind and grudgeful in my people. So I want to tell more the thing.
Okay, Mada boy, put it up.
Did you expect that? You never expect that? You never expect that?
Hello everyone, in Black Sky, smart. It's smart.
You didn't expect that?
In black, we pay the last that clap in black.
I think you make a boy pay, but she was saying what happened to the boy. They need to stop it. You need to stop. You're too much.
Make him can artist, him scamming Batman block.
Yes, it's true.
I'm going leave Rosealee to you. Leave Rosealee with the vampire teeth with you. You're wicked, you're a scammer. But you're post and work hard and you want to come back on the app and scam people blood clot money, but you're black. Move your Batman blood clot. And go away. I leave you to time you and your mama no wicked. Oh, nothing is wrong with my son. Then you come out and attack boys a scratch. Why you will say people pray it never go so bad with him or whatever. I'm just meeting and look or whatever. Whatever accident. Yeah, come back. I'm exam. I'm not too fake, man. Now when people talk, you want blood clot.
Blood clot, man.
Freeze, preach. Like you're too fucking like the vampire.
Look at the mama.
Rosealee suck you up with her pussy. Cause they say you're all up in her.
Look at the mama, yeah. Look at that. Wicked woman, wicked
dirty woman, that nothing style. You know me is a war. When you're ready for war, you tell me for come, cause you know a war me deal with.
Then call me to Sky. When you're ready, call me.
Yeah, me I come on for this.
Wicked man, you can't do that.
Come on for war, me say, and you know the way I do the war. Listen, a war, me say.
God, I go beat them. God, I go beat him so bad in my mama. The whole of them.
You know you have different people in your photos. Me are the war one. So you say if you're not a war, you know put me up. You know look for me. Me now come for your life.
Jesus Christ. Yo, Father God, I go beat that little batty boy. They remember me tell you man.
I don't know what you deal with, you know. No, I don't know what you really are deal with, you know. Cause when you go hard or when you go easy, the people them do not like squat coat. So guess what? You love easy upon them too much. So when them come and run out and we are beat them, hold on, take time when I war. Come on, man. Boy, the woman come up and cry. She a cry, then she woman take a new page and say her exam she a cry over and the hairstyle.
What kind of exam? What kind of exam?
Then the sun come out and say him get chip and him get chop and everything. Oh, you look, woman, come on, man.
What kind of exam?
We're not real pan this, man. We're not real.
I know, sir. I never know some people cry wicked, so him go down, you know. Me I tell you, he's gonna go down in time.
Him animal by Rosealee that all care the funeral look now. We ain't been a breed about them, been a breed the thing or whatever. Rosealee all stop still a leak. Rosealee in a one fall cook can't turn around like how she turn around na the Airbnb them. Come on, man.
Money I go buy.
Right, time me tell us a war me deal with it now. A war me deal with it now. And I make my show me shot them and it now gone away, you know. In my bad.
Whoa. Serious thing happened to that little dirty batty boy there. Straight from my life. Serious thing happened to that batty boy there.
But what because that the wicked people them because them don't want to talk the truth and whatever them living a denial like listen.
They know the
My
truth,
son,
but they don't want to talk.
You're wrong. My daughter, me love you to death. You're wrong. But me go defend you this or that or whatever. But don't come out Annie and do this and make your son look worse on the internet or beat him and certain thing. It not look good, woman.
Remember something in race and say in a fall, That falls something the boy about the race. Falls, I died.
Look good. Don't look good what them do to you. Them see you. I even if I set up or whatever. But it don't look good when them dip on the call and you don't mute the call. And you said nothing, you cry for nothing. And you come back and you flip the script. Me not rate you for that. Come on, man. And then him come and a throw thing and a tire and a ride bike. You're supposed to have some pain because when you drop a certain thing and a ride bike and a show up a vanity, my youth. Look on the country, them how much thing people lose. More than that, my youth. You know, come on and stop do this to people. You're in a rosealee head, you can't in a prefer head. Hello? Because we stay behind the scene and when you make a mistake, you
wait, somebody in the back. Hi, sweetheart.
Class. What do you know, man?
Hear my take on it now.
Yeah, let me hear you, sweetheart.
Rosealee, him suppose, remember say him tell Rosealee say I go call her for go out with her. Not the boy belly. Nobody will get 5 stitches and them belly can jump on bike so and come off. This is a little spy page because I don't want them black me because I'm fast. The mother know how she get caught tonight. Yes, then call her about check the crash. Yes, then call her and tell her say in crash. So as a mother now jump. You understand me? But see when time she get the full story, me say see that woman, I'm not you can't blame them. You cannot blame either one of them. You have to blame the people them we keep on falling for the bullshit over and over and over and over again. You can't blame them. Nobody will get 5 stitches under them belly. Doctor not tell us a minute stitches pop out. Yeah, move so freely on the bike.
The Halloween belly depends, blood depends, such man belly. Listen now. Can remember me a showing live over my life, you know, Onela. The blood look like Halloween blood, Onela, and him saying get stitches, Onela. You know about girl and man drop off a bike. You know get little scrape on knee and back and little scrape. Such man have piece of cloth wrap round him belly with Halloween blood, Onela. Me not telling a lie, sister. Yes, so guess what now? Me mash up them plan, cause guess what, Onela? Them did a plan for scam that said such man mother come out a ball. Say such man mean did a ask them because them did a plan for scam the media to get back the bike money when they buy a Portland yesterday for $1 million. So him did a plan for scam the media, yes. Yesterday buy the bike for $1 million, you know, saying that plan for scam the media and get back the money today. But me come live and bust it up because I never know say which party go buy the bike, me know the people them. You understand? So me making media first know say such man buy bike before such man, you know, Onela. Look on my page. You have a next phone look. 15 hours ago, look, see me receipt there. Go on my page. 15 hours ago, Onela. Me post it on my page when me get the news. Me make a video.
Such man, Jesus Christ.
Yes, when you go on the video, y'all go see what such man. Can me call such man here in the video, no, Onela. Me say Jesus.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. We'll watch some more and then move on to the next because Akeem come explain what go on, you see me?
Jesus Christ, me say Onela, who the bike can prove to the people them Sky Diamond news is real. 15 hours ago, me tell them say such man buy bike. And such man come out to the bike this morning. Look on my page. 15 hours ago, look. You go hear what such man to turn it up. Such rat, we could even wait to give me this a mix up here. So me not hear say Akeem.
Let's go to the next topic. What the next topic? What the next one? Alright, guys. Alright.
That's right. What a piece of wickedness to blood clot. You go see bike on the FYP and me post at the video they only like 15 hours ago. And such man just show the bike on the live while ago. Yes, Onela.
But Sky, how do you get these alleged information?
I don't know, alleged Onela. Look, you receipt in your hand. Look, 15 hours ago me talk about the bike.
When we come out for the live, me I go look.
And such man come live while ago with the bike. Go on the FYP you know see such man on the bike while ago. While ago with the bike. Go on the FYP.
But how do you know these alleged?
Yeah, you go allegedly.
Because we have to say alleged style. How you know these alleged information?
Listen, look for the video all and me tell the people about the bike and such man. Ask your chat. You trust your people them? Ask your people them is such man or just the live on the bike.
No, me know what them tell me. I seen that you posted it 16 hours ago.
Yes, yeah, 16 hours ago. Yes.
Alright, why the next mix up where I go on?
I just had the app mix up, my love. You have to make we talk about that before we talk about the next one. We have to talk about that
because I think Akeem is cool, so I don't really want to touch him.
Alright then, he's cool, but
he's nice. Sky, you know, he don't really bother nobody.
He don't bother nobody, but a fact. Oh, can you say you can't wish accident over your life, you know, on your life. Come with any.
But he said that he reached in an accident for real.
He mother the pan live on the land the pan. Your mother knows. At the phone call, she get you figure she even cry, Onela. She get the phone call and figure she a cry. And them a talk to her. Like them a tell her, say, Sky Diamond, I play the live and something. The woman said, make she go talk to the live and she come back and say her son, Onela, listen. You know you like them. Alright, make we talk about the next mix up. Alright.
Yeah, because you know why with him, I feel like he don't bother nobody.
You're the next mix up now. What about the one named K? Me see one new mix up with the girl named K. One named K, Ivany, Rochelle.
Oh, God.
Yes. Yeah, that one new mix up will come up back. Yes, you not hear about that, the mix up the girl. Yes.
No, tell me, I haven't heard. What happened?
So I'm tell you all this and me here says an ongoing beef. We didn't have going long time. So the one named K now must come up on Ivany and Jayden and Kavidan did today. And the one named K now come with some jewels and say she sell braces and things. And Ivany must say to her, say, how you come and sell things now in a time when everybody are give away you are sell?
I say God can't, because nothing is impossible for my father. But me I say sometimes where it seems, bro, yes, when people lock them mouth by you, for your dead or fall out, me I tell you, bro, stay out of them blood clot here. Because me I tell you, can, bro, me I never wish certain thing for nobody and them family. Jailhouse, death, none of them things. That's what me I say. Remember me have brother and a dog, and my brother this will grow me, you know. You know, that cut me up, bro. A tears I see run from my dog yesterday, you know, because dog don't know what happened to me, you know. Because one night time, them come like all. Me I telling you the truth, one night time, them come like all, my break stop, bro. That's what me I say. I mean, never see them money I water yet, bro. I see them money yesterday, I water, run out of money, and when the man all get dark, and a doctor, and I say, yo, brother, look for my brother, no you, I don't go like I don't want to take so long. I look on it and I say, bumbo clot. Really stick around with the people and care for me, you know, brother. You see it? When me call Jay, you know, because Jay, me not tell no lie. Jay is a man, he beg me every day. Figure it out, beg me every day. So, Wackle, don't ride the bike, don't ride the bike, don't ride the bike. Me eat the bike like poison. Me eat it like poison, don't ride the bike. He can't tell me nothing, me a big man. But a real thing in my talk. And then, when me know me couldn't tell Jay, when my sister me I say, yo, me can't tell, figure it out, you know. People, I swear upon my life, I don't know how Jay hear me. Did I hide it from my mother? Me never did I go tell nobody. Me don't know they hear, cause me alright. As me say 2 stitches, and me good. And the dog, me say Jay drop himself a ground, cause in video call me. And me answer him, and the man see neck brace and sitting around my neck, and the man drop himself a ground. Yes, what me I say? The man drop himself a ground. I say, blood clot. Me I say, brother, you're good, me good. Man say, me I come, no. Bro, me not even know. Me not even doze off. Me just hold on cause then they give me some about 5 injection me get, you know. So me not even know I want gravel and something with them say last in your body for 10 years, so you know, get locked jaw, none of them cut there, not when I infected and all kind of bullshit. But it worked. And when me see it, me I say, yo, me no want to tell the dog, you know, bro, yes, when the dog stays, so the dog reach in a less than 5 minutes. I said, brother, you're good, and hug me up, and me I said, bro, I'm a good man. You see it? Then my mother start calling me down, me I said, Jesus Christ, Maddy tell mommy. Mommy fret for me like what? So, these are the people, bro, way. And me have so blessed, me have all of my support of them, unbothered, unstoppable. Every freaking body that text me, I check up on me. Jayden call me to, you know, bro. Yes, what me I say? Jayden call me when Diamond them up there. I don't know if Diamond them tell Rose. And I say, Tickers reach up there, bro. These are the fucking people when me have to look out for, bro. These are the people when I work for put a smile on them face because them genuinely care about me, dog. When I see certain people text and I check up on me even though me alright. Bro, I feel like I feel special like me. I feel good. I feel good. I'm warm too, bro. I feel good. And when me have a brother like that and a sister like that, like my sister and a mother like my mother, and a friend like unbothered and so blessed and Rose and my wife. And a wife like Rose. A friend like Diamond, a brother like Jay and all of them things there. Me couldn't go stay so I wish nothing bad for nobody. Me couldn't go wish nothing. Me can't go wish nothing wrong or nothing bad for nobody, brother. Me have people who genuinely care about me, bro. Yes, what me I say? Me can't do that, brother, because you know why? I see them thing can happen to my people and when I really care about. And yes, if them have that in their heart, I see them thing can reach me and them are going to feel a way because them know. So watch, you know. A wackle make certain thing happen, you know, and a wackle really, because I not have to spell it out. A wackle make certain money can run in a circle. A wackle make we alright, a wackle make we can eat, a wackle make we can drive. When they know me do all of them things, and people said no, just a loyalty what we grow with our half brother. Them are gonna feel fuck up if something do me, so I couldn't see something do somebody family or do something do somebody and celebrate over it, brother. You see it? Trollers can troll, you know. But you see when you say serious thing happen to people and you can turn to it, you can turn and say fuck you. Gotta have beat the phone, you see. Say me not even want them near you when God a beat you. So I don't want to get none of the backlash in a real life. You see, gotta have a special stick up them to them phone in heaven at all, you know. But people for real, man, I wish nothing for best about people, bro. I could have never dare say what I wait for a man downfall or I wait for a man for dead. Worse when a man even, worse when somebody even. Worse when you just try be an enemy to somebody. Here's what me I say. Big up yourself for that comment, the God bless Kish. Purpose never die. Can pin this? This comment is so underrated. Purpose it never dead. Eh? Just put them on the top of them something there. Cause a dirty to go there. You have some money in that pocket to put it in your back, bro. And put them on the top of the thing in your box and bro. Can make a carry them down, granny. Go wash. They want to wash. Yeah, man, me people, I tell you, no, man. What? People see Marina here with me have on yesterday.
Alright, my people, so let me tell you something. See, this is the internet. See, this is an internet era, right? And everybody have to put on a facade. You see me? So most of what them go on with by the internet is not real because them have to do things, them have to have a character. You see me I say? Where it's like them have to keep relevant at all times. So nobody can be genuine and authentic when they up at top. You see me? Nobody with them on top on the internet cannot be genuine and authentic. You see me I say? Them have to put on a show. So just learn that. So that everything you want to see you want to follow.
Marina, yeah, when me have one yesterday. You see it? I'm take it off. I'm take it off as something that happened, you know, because I couldn't keep on my shot, you know. Blood up. You smell blood? Oh, don't show it. The new Kawasaki bike sound like it pissed off. I have a skull panel line. I send gift card. People, I tell you, me a boy picnic. Then sitting here normal thing to me, lucky me, never see me string up over public like a puppet. Coming out line and dog them. We crash off a bike normally, then string up like a puppet over public. My good man, me a boy picnic people, man. I want to tell man, a bike life, man. Jumping on them thing day night, man. That's why me I say I saw your badness go, man. You not worry about that. That's the nicest thing. Me alright. That's why me I say, and me can pick up road, a back seat or nothing no mash up on it, so me can pick up roads tomorrow for go beach on it. Them two things there, I big eh? Yeah man, that's something this. That are two main reasons why I'm happy. I'm okay, and me can pick up tickets tomorrow for go on the beach with me on it. What else me da want? Me I ask Ono what else me da want? Wanna stay there? Wife no worry, wife come there last night. Not even me call wife, them tell her and wife forward last night. No man, me I tell you a beach pre, you know. A beach pre, man, I'm not for worry. The box in my room. Listen how she sounds. People may like it back, you know. Like, please. Listen how she sounds. Shit. Hey, bike smarty now starting a gear now. Rumpy. She sounds so grumpy, peeps. She grumpy, man. I never got her give care. People themselves come to my bike. You know, Ben sound like it pissed off. People, I'm okay. Hey, you're working. The people, I'm over here, say bite, no don't make. Yeah, man, I'm careful, man.
Good morning, my baby. Sky, you're wicked, you know? What are we about the people of mission? What are we you about the people of mission? Mission about immediately.
You see?
Eh?
I can't
You
believe it.
wicked, you know, girl? What make you call them out so quick?
Jesus.
What are we the people of gulling up on TikTok about dash out their millions again, you know, darling?
Jesus Christ, sister, me have to save the people. Me could allow what happened to me if it happened to them.
Sister, you know, say a quick about mission you go on with, girl?
Sister, me bad. Talk it true, sister. Me not even
Yes,
get
so you go on with
information
yourself
about
this
mission. Me
morning.
can prove me ready. I receipt me ready for job right now, you know,
A
sister.
serious kinds of got clapped down today, you know, girl. And you mash up the people and plans, you know?
Jesus Christ. The woman
But
said nothing will do our
seriously.
son. And nothing will never do our son. You know, see the
You know,
woman
see how wicked people this on TikTok. You know, see how wicked. You know, see why.
Alright, my people, me not go really rule out say this youth never did in an accident for real. Me would have say boy, maybe him have a little mishap on the road cause maybe I'm first bike where him ever buy. And the mishap where him have him just create a big thing outside. Or a plan it and just deal with it. Or is a minor accident and him exaggerate. You see me? So let me know what you think.
I got upset with we. A demon them up on TikTok, you know.
My gosh.
No, me prove it, you know, the woman literally walk with on the phone and go about the mission.
Duh. Sister, you feel like she could have knows, you feel like she knows her with that ear when she talk to the person?
Sky, yes, she know. Them know everything. Them know everything. Them know what them a do. Them know all of this, girl.
She said,
A
let me go
modern
talk.
time.
Look
We
at now,
need to wise up.
sister. She
We need
maybe
to
knows that
stop
we are
living
ear
in a
her.
gutter.
Sister, look at now. She maybe know we are ear, but she may not think she know we are ear the person on the phone because she say, let me go talk to me. Let me go say something to the live.
I
You
want
know that you
woman
heard the
she a
woman I
talk
said
to
to
do,
her
you
on the
know.
phone. She said she even said to the
Yeah.
woman, say, me not say nothing. The woman I said to her, said, what you do? She fuck up the mission.
Yeah. Girl, let me tell you something. I gotta work, you know, because you see long run short catch, but want the people them to wise up. But they not wise up, then go level bad, then living at the gutter, girl. Then living at the gutter. But guess what? I'm gonna rank people, you know, dash out in the kinds and give them, make them richer
Hey,
and richer
sister,
and
but
richer.
say,
Make you can laugh off of
sister,
uno.
let me tell
And
you when
somehow
say,
not live like dog shit.
sister, let me tell you when say up my bike shop, he say my smartest man pan TikTok, he never tell a lie, no? But when
Say one
he
thing. You
come
know you're
with
smart, you
this
know,
man,
girl.
this not,
You're smart. Me I forget your flowers, because you know where I go on.
Sister, me know the things, them. Sister, Lord Jesus Christ, last night, you
You
know, see what
about
I'm,
the mission, you know, girl. Me like it.
yeah,
You
mother say
about
no, you
it.
know,
Me
me
like
no
it.
dream. You didn't have to correct that because me ready for show the same buy a bike. And you see, if you need tell me same I go, but too bad me that make him get it on a discount, even 50% off. But me never, me can make him get a discount.
What a wicked people, them girl. Me in the comments, yeah, them too wicked.
Big up yourself, my sister girl. Good morning, darling. My phone, you come like somebody a call my phone.
And I listen to the message.
So I say that they go with all of the prophet them. I say go with all of the prophet them from Bible days. That's why the one of them, most of them ain't upside down. Yeah. I say go bully for sure. You don't know why the armies want to call it Goldie.
A goodie man.
I don't know why. Yeah, then I watch the messenger. You see, and some people say that's why Jesus born in a manger. And them could recognize that he's the Messiah, so the church crucify him. And so you go, them always watch the messenger.
Me not lie. You know things me I watch the internet from morning. All I got people them in a white. I want
It takes them by surprise. Them are wait for the rap.
You want go look on the app. Couple of people them are pure white. And on a planting, you know.
And the rapture, them are wait for. You know, so the rapture then here.
Me know.
Yeah, them say then here. Hey, Gully, you're rough.
Earth still.
Yeah, you're rough. You're rough, yeah. Me know. Hey. That's what
Nah, so me see man. I mean this in a real life. Yeah, but you can see if you not push me over a cliff, me won't hold on. If you deal with me neutral, me deal with you about neutral. But you see if you push me over the cliff there, you can't give me shampoo and me give you condition, you know. If you give me shampoo, a sod for sod. If you give me condition for maestro, me here, me maestro back. But me nasty, you push me over a cliff. Me a hold on for your blood clot and me a your job.
You know you're very creative.
Yeah?
Your speech colorful, you know. And you not even know. Yeah, you not even know your speech colorful. You must get very entertaining. You don't have to try. You don't have to try that you're very entertaining. God no. Me just gonna listen to your song.
Original self.
Yeah, Shabby, your original self, for true. You're very entertaining. You're funny. See, you watch me? Girl, some of them must watch you. You alone take everything away from the alphabet. Me must say nothing when you not come with vowels in and constant. You know, see them build one video with me. Sit down, see him way, so. One cartoon character. Say some girl pay for favor. Don't pay. You see that one there? No, I just the one but we like the bucket, the bucket and grocery. Oh. I like that. And at first, you know, this gonna be the second time me and him throw it down like that. Him who? Barnabas. Who that? Do you have somebody to sketch up? No, Barnabas. Barnabas. Where I go? Barabak. Who that? Where them have trouble here for? Tell them not trouble here. Ask them. What them have text by you for? You name me now. Barbz. My tongue kind of big. Barbz. Why that? Rosealee name Barbz. Rosealee and oh no God, remember they sell out Jesus and give Barbz. Yeah, Barnabas. Yeah, Barnabas. Yeah, then Rosealee they call him. I wasn't even say him. Yeah. Alright, Barbz. Barnabas. You're so finger. Yes.
Sometimes you're not here.
Girl, me not call your name for the arm sister, girl, but I click no live. Oh, Rosealee? What's your name? I don't saw your name. You did not click like either way from your come on the live with me at social station time. Remember that she's not Christian. Come here, she don't name Rosealee again. Barnabas. Yes. So they attack you say Barnabas. Oh, she take out papers. A jabas. Take out the string. Alright, see. Barnabas. The people them, when army people them say, who no choose Barnabas or Jesus? Yeah, them say Barnabas, then take Barnabas. When Rosealee see this later, she go crash out, you go think of James. I want add James to the live, you know. Yeah. They say I make it just overweight, just mash up Jamaica with the star. I tell him, say Crown get up off her head and in disbelieve me, you know. Let me tell you, you see Gemini people, you have to deal with them hard. They go listen, you know, but you have to give them a course. You think she not take note? No, what is stop? Rosealee only can shoot the people them when she feel like she have under control. You see, once you find her out, she ignore you because she know why you tell her the truth. She's not ready yet to hear the truth. And when them back against the wall, you know, them accept the truth, you know. You didn't know that? Yeah, I saw them stay. You know what them have to do? Them have to go in the dig and it suck them in for them say, you know, say they did right. It is true, and even so again, they will still make the same mistake. Like other day, one boy, they talk about me panning live. And how me dey on TikTok and making money and they now do not with it so. And point. No calling here, because we not give no highlight. Yeah. You're smart enough.
Alright, my people, I want you to tell me in the comment section what you think about where Shibada and Goody I say. When I feel like say Rosealee crown shift. Me no feel so still. Rosealee only get bigger and bigger. You see what I say? So me feel like say she have no like trickling down to do right now. No sir. She I talk at the town same way. She I queen right now for TikTok.
You're smarter than me. You're smarter than me. The boy with teeth bigger than mine. Yeah. No man, I'm a stripper. Me can't believe me click me live now and tell him say, you make me a clean up my house early, you know, cause me a girl me not clean up my house early, you know. Me like clean up my house 4 or 5 o'clock. Yeah. I like myself with the Almighty and me angel them. And me that like you say you talk about me when me clean up my house early. So if you take some bad things and turn in a good. Yeah. Cause when he talk me go clean up my house early, so me not find it offended. Yes, yeah, just like
a
that.
bad situation turn in a good situation.
Feeling like that.
I sleep so good today.
I in the taxi, you don't have the belly button. Nobody don't want a belly button. They want bottom.
Me I tell you.
Yeah, them don't want a belly button. Them need bottom. The man then stop with.
No, you know the reason why me inside me no belly button. Remember, you know, all man lead to them now, you know.
It's no most. Remember them tighter than we.
Me I tell you, girl.
Yeah, them tighter than we by far. We never like that. Don't bully. They never like that because somebody will come give them a chance. Give them a chance.
You know what I do? Me tell him, me say, boy, why you put one, like you want me diamond in a problem. Me will yes. Communicate the story.
Yes.
Don't do that. Make me create my own enemy. No create no enemy for me.
Yes.
We can create my own enemy. Yeah, make a point like me do something wrong or you set enemy for me. No do that. Me can create my own enemy. No create no enemy.
I like that.
No. I mean I watch them they come sink me a one place. Me not like that.
And that most of the bloggers them do. Create enemy. Yeah, and that most of them do.
Give me no enemy. Make me create my own enemy. Me know what me say.
And because of that, in my class, you know, what you do with your money, you're supposed to do anything with your money. Let me tell you this. You're your own big one at the end of the day. If you don't see the light at the end of the tunnel, are your fault. You are your money. God bless it this way. You do whatever you please. You get what I say? Some people buy cars, some people buy land, some people buy goats, some people buy gold. You understand me?
Auntie Shibi, God bless you. Look at me make by here now. I miss me Tonina.
You don't have to tell nobody, goody. You don't have to tell nobody. You don't have to tell nobody out of your mouth.
They see it, you know, because when me just come here, and nothing. And they see improve. When me come here, what I do, I wash up my plate, you know. No, me can't wash my plate inside.
Yeah, you don't have to tell nobody, no. Make them go on. Look here. Make them chat say you use the money. All we use the money. You get what I say? But what is important to us, we take care of that. Yeah. And for me, I take care of what is important to you. That's fine. Nobody not supposed to watch your pocket.
And then, here when go say, but with me a pocket watcher. Oh!
Okay.
Me I tell you, you can't know when God sending people and forgive you. You feel pleasant.
Yeah.
And anything me like take, you know.
Yeah.
We stand like the 2 bills me have to get if you see Barnabas in a ring.
No man. Sometimes, let me tell you something.
Come here, me not said you see good things coming at the worst way.
Yeah. Sometimes your enemy, God can make your enemy bless you, and they don't even know why they bless you. So it's when them do realize what them do after the Holy Spirit gone, they rant.
Me know
somebody but this you out the road it and God quiet your house your mouth.
Regular.
And then when you come in your house it depends how when you move a bill. I was going a while ago. Yeah, me I say, so I saw you go. Don't feel bad about the 2 bills.
Yeah man, I'm going to pay your bills with the money.
Sometimes
feel bad.
Sometimes the enemy have the key for opening the door with them always a shut.
Yeah.
You understand and they just open it for yourself.
Man, auntie girl, you know, so they went lock one other day. We open the month. Yes?
Yeah. But you overcome though.
Of course.
Alright then.
And Father God show me say they lock the door there, you know.
Yeah man.
And I see him, somebody will lock the door come open the back, you know. Who could it be but the creator?
But that me I tell you.
You know, see, much.
And that me I tell you. And that me I tell you.
A reality, you know, me just they pick up, you know, thank you, Jesus. Me say other day, see him, somebody will close the door, have to come open the back.
That's why you never fight with them, you laugh with them, see me.
Come here, you know, say Jesus be a hypocrite. Jesus, listen, Jesus knows say when go have somebody will sell him out, you know. And he have somebody go deny him, you know. And Jesus still have him around them.
I tell people that every day.
Have to be a hypocrite, believe.
To confound the wise. You understand me? Because when you come on people and you think so you're wiser than them and they play foolish. You understand me? I confuse them, I confuse you, yeah? who are wise because they see it from a distance and you don't even realize. So sometimes you just have to, that's when people call you and say, remember me do this, they say, tell them, say, no, you didn't have to do it. You didn't have to do it. Assignment. Yeah.